Hello everybody! Welcome to the unboxing of the Apple Magic Keyboard, 2nd generation. So, let's take a quick look at this beautiful thing. Let's take a quick look from all of the sides. The left side is probably the Apple logo, yes, the right too. Taking a look on the back side, we have a serial number and all the information that you would normally need. So, let's take the crooked knife, yeah, this one, and open it. Note to self, do not cut yourself. Let's take a quick listen to the beautiful unwrapping sound. Good, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, it's actually quite beautiful to look at it. Put it aside for a second and take a look what's inside the box. So, we've got the Lightning to USB cable. I think it's 1/2 meter long. Enough. I've already got 10 of them. The usual guide and warranty booklets. Nothing special here. Take it closer so you can see what's inside. So let's put this away for a moment and take a look at the keyboard itself. I've lost the last 10 seconds of the clip, so you won't see the whole foil unwrap. Really sorry for not being able to show you the last 10 seconds of the clip, but here's the keyboard in all its glory. Beautiful aluminium with white soft keys. Good, so let's take a look on the back side. There's an on-off switch on the left side. In the middle, we've got a lightning port to charge your keyboard. And on the right side, I think there's a cutout for a better Bluetooth signal. So, that would be more or less it. Here's a close-up of the keyboard. Congratulations if you've made it this far. If you like this video, like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, dislike it, give it a thumbs down. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a nice day.